This is a review of the solar motion sensor light. It's an outdoor light with the auto heads up LED solar security wall floodlight. And pretty much I'm going to be unboxing this, and also we're going to be installing this. And in this review, we're going to show you guys what you get inside this package. And from there, also, we're going to test to see how this is, especially at night, to see how bright it is. So without going any further, let's unbox this and show you guys what you get inside this package. Okay, so I got the package unboxed, and you can see it comes with instructions in case if you get lost and you don't quite understand something, comes with that. But I, on the other hand, know that's, how to exactly do this. So it comes with a pair of screws, and this is a solar light, so it comes in a single pair of one. And this is the lights right here, which will illuminate and turn on, off and on. And this is a solar light, like I told you guys before. And also, but the cool thing about this solar light is that it not only is just, like any solar light, it also does auto detection. It also moves, especially when it sees motion detection, which I'll show you guys towards the end of the video. It pretty much moves around, goes up and down depending on if there's motion detector or not. You got three different modes, so those three modes there, pretty much one is in a dim mode where it's pretty much dim, like during the night you can have it like that. Then one is a lit mode where it just stays on all the time. But then there's another option. That option is probably the cool option. It's pretty much where if there's motion detection, it's going to turn on, but during the nighttime, it's going to stay in a dim lit mode. So that means is that it's going to stay dim. And then, when there's motion detection, let's say, for example, if a cat walks by, it's going to automatically detect, or a human walking by, it's going to automatically turn on. So that is something really cool feature, and it's a huge plus compared to, other solar lights are probably, this one moves. So that is something very unique that I love about this one. But yeah, without going further, we are going to install this product, and I'm going to pretty much go into the backyard and pretty much test this product out. It comes with the hardware, pretty much the screws, which we're going to be needing to mount the brackets to right over there. And yeah, without going further, let's go into the backyard and pretty much test this product out and pretty much install it. Okay, so the way you install this is that you have to go underneath here. So for example, the screws were located right over there. I just drill right over here and drill right over here in the middle, and there you go. You just pretty much use the drill bit on that. Get that screw right there and that right there. Really, it's that simple. It's not too hard or difficult or anything like that. But I have it on now. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna test this at nighttime. You can see it does light up, and if I'm pretty much you can see it does move, so it goes up and down with just motion detection where you see right over there. But yeah, we're gonna show you guys how it looks like during the nighttime. Okay, so this right here is the finished results, and I am absolutely amazed with this product. It pretty much lights up my entire home like a football stadium, and it is really extremely bright, like, very bright. And this is with no lights at all. So I have no lights right over here and no lights right over there, and I don't even have my light bulb on right over there. And you can see how significantly bright it is, like all the way from this concrete. There's so much light, and this is only one pair of it. And if I had like multiple pairs of it, it could pretty much light up the entire home and pretty much light everything up. And this is really a game changer thing to have to your home, because it aesthetically, it pretty much improves your home. It looks much more nicer. It pretty much has the solar, pretty much the energy, goes up to the thing. See, it turns off like that, and the solar panel absorbs all the sun, and pretty much it turns on just like that whenever it needs to. And if I walk closely to it, you can see, there you go, it turns on. So I have it set to a motion detection, and this is in the brightest setting, so it is extremely bright. If I could go a little bit more back, I can, to show you guys. Really extremely bright, and I absolutely love this product. If you are looking for something to change up your home and this, to pretty much have more light to your home, and this thing right over here, especially, it really is a game changer thing to have, because it not only just gives light to your home, but it also has motion detection. You could dim it if you want to. You can have it like on as well too, all the time, like that, like the way I have it. And also it goes up and down too, so see, it turns off like that. And also it goes, like I told you guys, up and down. So pretty much it could go up or it could go down. And it's pretty much my first time to see a solar lights that pretty much it can move up and down, which that is a really huge plus and a cool feature. And overall, I'm absolutely amazed with this product. I would definitely recommend this solar light. If you are looking for something to brighten up your home, then this is probably one of the best ones that you could get.